co-pilot Joe with me today. Can you give us a wave, Jojo? So we're in Sedbergh at the moment. We camped last night. We're going to head up to, where are we going to head to? Let me check the map. Mallerstang Common. We're going to do a green lane near Mallerstang Common and then head over to Pendragon and do some exploring. Hopefully, it's dry at the moment. Hopefully it stays dry enough. We'll get the drone up. We should get some nice shots. So here we are, we're at the start of the first lane. Gatekeeper Evie on the gates for us. There's Indy, just escaped. I think Mr. Harrison is about to get Evie back and Indy back in the car. So we're just heading up this wonderful lane, going over a few little stream crossings, and we're about to head up to this epic looking sculpture. GoPro's probably not picking it up, but we'll show you when you get there. I can't quite tell what it is from here. It almost looks like two kissing stones. One of the stream crossings was a little bit interesting. Certainly some bangs going on from the back. Good fun. And Jojo's telling me he's hungry. My co-pilot needs feeding. So we'll have to get the co-pilot some extra food shortly. I was just chatting to Scott. He was saying that the big bang bang I heard when we were going over a little stream crossing before was my tow bar getting hung up. It is a very low tow bar. I don't tow anything.
Daddy, the numbers are not going on.
The numbers aren't going on. The numbers aren't going up.
What you got there? A calculator?
Yes.
You told up how much diesel we're burning.
Now I've got a bird book in the car with me, but I'm gonna have to check it when we get back because there are loads of really fantastic black and white birds. Now I'm not sure if the GoPro's gonna pick these up. They look like ground nesting birds, but I'm not sure what they are. Just come to a really nice little stream. What are we calling it? What's the technical Cumbrian name for this?
I think it's classed as a gill.
A gill. So we're just on this little sweet bridge over a little gill. You know, it doesn't look like too much impressive. You know, it's pretty impressive. And then you jump up on the wall and you have a little look down. Wowza. Like something like the Lord of the Rings. What are you thinking, Mr. Harrison? Time to start your free dive career?
But I say, ideal place for some Harry Carey, not gonna lie.
Harry Carey. So we're about to drive through over that little bridge as Evie doing the gatekeeping. Now this might be a wing mirrors in jobby. Yeah, I think I'm gonna pull my wing mirrors in. Might even be a job really rather needing spotting. Oh, that was tight. Let's park up and we'll go back and watch Mr. Harrison through. Give him a little spot. Yeah, drivers, passengers. Straight on. Drivers.
I think I might have got a little bit of my wing mirror.
Me? You got a little scuff there, yeah, it's tough, mate. Yeah, they're all battle scars.
It's all good. It's all good.
They're all battle scars. Yeah, that was tight. Tight. If you see my Canic chase video, ooh, it's tight. Ooh, it's a bit tight. There were some really quite deep ruts. Now the ground clearance on my Navara is not massive. That must have been pretty close to catching the axles, I think. All good. We got through it. Another really interesting structure. I'm not really sure what they are. I don't know if it's something to do with mining or what. It's something to do with the animals. I've seen a couple of them. Stone structures with quite interesting little doorways. Not quite sure what they are. There you go. I don't know if you heard that, but Scott reckons they're meat lockers or meat stores, where they would have slaughtered stuff up here, they would have stored it up there in the cold. So there you go. That's what Mr. Harrison thinks. Do you know what that massive bang was from the back of my truck?
Yeah, that was tow bar.
Is that the tow bar? Tow bar again. I think it's got to go. I think it's got to go. Definitely need to get a lift on my Navara. She managed to get the chassis. I don't even know how. Crazy. Well, my GoPro 11, which is on the dash, has just overheated and died. Now it's the second time it's done that recently. I did it when I was filming a yoga flow the other day. Now I've got the heating on, but it's not coming out the top vents. It does not like running for extended periods of times. That was terrible English. It doesn't like running for extended periods of time, that GoPro. Something I'm gonna have to look at. Anyway. I will put the links, the Trailwise links, in the description for this lane. So if you want to drive it, join GLASS, Greenlaning Association, and Trailwise, and you'll be able to follow the routes. Thank you, gatekeeper. So we're coming to the end of this lane now, and I kind of thought, from looking at the map, it went through this farmyard and then joined up with the road again. But I'm not sure if it does. It might be a dead end. We might be having all this fun again on the way back. We might have to go in reverse. We'll find out. Let's see what happens when we get to these gates. It might just be a big solid gate rather than a wall. Oh yeah, I think it's a big gate. So there we go, was the right way. The farm came out, well, the couple, really good to us. Sorted out the gates, untied them, led us through, saw some really cute little lambs, baby calf. There you go, what a lane.